How to plot a quadratic function. This is the general form of quadratic function. To plot, the first step is to determine whether the curve open upwards or downwards for a quadratic. If the coefficient of x square is greater than 0, then the curve open upwards. If the coefficient of x square is less than 0, then the curve open down. In this example, the coefficient of x square is positive 1, so it open upwards. Next, find the axis of symmetry, which is a vertical line that divides the curve into two equal halves. The formula for finding the axis of symmetry is x equal to minus b divided by 2a. In this example, b is 7 and a is 1. We get x equal to negative 3.5. Plot the vertical line for x equal to negative 3.5. The next step is finding vertex. A vertex is a point where the curve changes its direction, representing either the minimum, that is the lowest point on the curve, or the maximum, that is the highest value of the curve. It is otherwise known as turning point of the curve. The vertex lies on the axis of symmetry, so the x coordinate is same as the axis of symmetry. To get the y coordinate, substitute the x value in the given function. So when we substitute, we get the y value as negative 6.25. So the coordinate of vertex is negative 3.5, negative 6.25. Next, y-intercept, where the curve intercepts the y-axis. At that point, the x value will be equal to 0. So to find y-intercepts, substitute x equal to 0 in the given equation. Here we get y value as 6. So the coordinate of y-intercept is 0, 6. Next, x-intercept. This is nothing but the roots of the quadratic equation. To find, set y is equal to 0. Then we get x square plus 7x plus 6 equal to 0. Solving this quadratic equation, we get the x value as negative 1 and negative 6. So the coordinate of x-intercepts are negative 1, 0 and negative 6, 0. Let's add one more point to draw a perfect graph. A point which is symmetry to y-intercept 0, 6. The distance between the axis of symmetry and the y-intercept is 3.5 units. Now mark 3.5 units from the axis of symmetry towards the left side. Remember, the axis of symmetry divides the curve into two equal halves. Now connect these 5 points to draw a quadratic graph.